So you're going to get two stages. One stage is that coupling, that symbiosis between the best humans at the job and the AI, right? You can see that in the UK, for example, with the NHS saying diagnosis happens with an AI first, and then we give you an appointment. You go and meet a human, but the human will also use an AI, right? You can see that. But then very quickly, if the diagnosis, which is, typical of what you do in technology, if the human diagnosis starts to match or even become accurate to the AI diagnosis, very quickly the organization will say, from now on, diagnosis is going to be done by the AI alone. We're just going to have top supervision for some of them, or humans will get only the very complex cases or whatever, right? And so you can see the replacement cycle over time. But sooner or later, you're going to go from humans doing all the jobs using computers as a tool, some humans partnering with the AI, where the AI actually is the intelligence and the human is just the vision and partnership, to AI replacing everything with very, very humans in the very, very, very little or few humans in the cycle.
Okay, and that starts happening very soon.
That happens already.
Already, but we'll feel it 12 months from now.
As I said, it really depends on your tolerance level.